The science of lion attacks. Introduction to lion attack behavior. Lions, Panthera leo, are apex predators whose attacks have been observed and studied extensively across Africa and parts of Asia. An attack by a lion is not a random outburst of aggression but rather a carefully evolved sequence of behaviors shaped by millions of years of natural selection. Understanding these attacks provides insight not only into predator efficiency but also into the broader dynamics of ecosystems. Stages of a lion attack. 1. Stalking phase. The majority of lion attacks begin with silent stalking. Lions rely on cover such as tall grasses, shrubs, or the natural darkness of night to approach prey without being detected. Research shows that lions can reduce their visible profile by crouching, advancing slowly, and freezing when prey look in their direction. The optimal distance before initiating the chase is usually 20 to 30 meters, as anything further risks exhausting the predator before contact is made. 2. Ambush and chase. Once the distance is reduced, lions burst into a sprint. Despite their size, they are capable of reaching 70 to 80 kilometers per hour in short bursts. However, they can only maintain this speed for 5 to 6 seconds. Therefore, success depends heavily on surprise and the coordinated positioning of the pride. 3. Seizure and takedown. Lions use their powerful forelimbs equipped with sharp retractable claws to grab and destabilize prey. By targeting the hindquarters or shoulders, they reduce the prey's ability to run. Once the animal loses balance, lions leap onto it and use their jaws to secure a hold. 4. Killing bite. The killing method depends on prey size. Large prey, lions usually employ a throat bite, compressing the trachea to cut off airflow. Medium prey, a muzzle bite may be used, covering the mouth and nostrils. Small prey, a bite to the back of the neck can sever the spinal cord. Scientific measurements indicate that suffocation may take 3 to 8 minutes, during which lions hold on tightly despite violent struggles. Role of social cooperation in attacks. Lion attacks are unique among big cats because they are social events. Females are the primary hunters, using coordinated tactics to encircle and trap prey. Males, though less agile, often participate when the target is exceptionally large. The cooperative nature increases hunting success significantly. Solo hunts succeed less than 20% of the time, but group attacks can achieve 30 to 40% success depending on prey type and habitat. Target selection during attacks. Lions rarely waste energy attacking the strongest individuals. Instead, they target juveniles and calves. Old or sick animals. Individuals separated from the herd. This selective pressure plays a role in maintaining the health of herbivore populations, acting as a natural filter that removes weaker genes from the gene pool. Biomechanics of an attack. A lion's attack force combines several adaptations: forelimbs, exceptionally muscular, enabling them to knock down animals weighing several times their own mass. Claws, up to 3.8 centimeters long, used to grip and cut flesh. Bite force, around 650 psi, strong enough to crush bones and suffocate prey. Team coordination, synchronization of movement to increase efficiency. These traits together make lions among the most formidable land predators. Risk factors in attacks. Attacking large prey carries significant risk. Buffalo, giraffes, and hippos can kill lions during defense. Data from Serengeti shows that injuries from failed attacks are a leading cause of lion mortality outside of inter-male conflict. Thus, lions must balance hunger with risk assessment. Attacks beyond hunting. Territorial attacks. Male lions attack intruding males to protect pride ownership. These battles are violent, involving charging, clawing, and powerful bites. Victory often determines genetic legacy. Intraspecific aggression. Lionesses also attack within the pride when competition over food or cubs arises. Though less frequent than male battles, such attacks can split social groups. Defensive attacks against humans. While not primary prey, lions do attack humans, especially in regions where habitat overlap is increasing. Historical records, such as the infamous Savo man-eaters, highlight how lions may adapt attacks toward human targets during unusual circumstances like drought or injury. Lion attacks illustrate the balance between cooperation, strategy, and raw strength. Far from being reckless, these behaviors are fine-tuned survival mechanisms, influencing not only the lion population but also the ecological systems they dominate.